The Ventamatic Wi-Fi app is user-friendly and simple to use. Simply download the Ventamatic Wi-Fan application from the App Store or Google Play and ensure your fan and wireless hub have power to begin setup. You will need to connect your mobile device to the hub's local Wi-Fi network. The hub's network name will begin with WV-F, and the password for the hub's network is MyFan by default. Once connected to the hub's local Wi-Fi network, you can open the Wi-Fan app to control your fan. Simply open the application and follow the steps on the screen. After setup, you'll see several options on the tutorial screen: device settings, set speed, set time, time remaining, and a button to turn the fan on and off with the current settings. First, open the settings using the gear icon in the top right of the screen. There, you can name your fan for easy identification. The timer is set with a ball that slides clockwise and counterclockwise. Slide to the hold position at 12 o'clock to run the fan without a timer. The speed is controlled with a simple drop-down menu. Once you have your settings in place, that's it. Simply press Start. You now have easy control of your fan anywhere the Wi-Fi signal can reach. Download the Ventamatic app today and start enjoying all the features your fan has to offer.